If you or your partner snores at night, don't miss this short clip. Snoring might mean that you're not getting enough air through your mouth and nose while you're sleeping, or quite possibly have sleep apnea. So we know that sleep apnea can lead to some pretty serious health issues like high blood pressure, heart disease, and even stroke. So don't let snoring ruin your sleep or your health. Take action now by talking to your doctor and look closer at your airways and possibly even do a sleep study. Like, share, spread the word to help others sleep soundly and live well.